Hello friends, my name is Diana, Diana. Welcome to my learning corner. I'm so excited to see you. Amigos, are you ready to count by cincos in español? See? Very good friends. But first, let's turn on our brain. Ready? And let's put our thinking caps on. Count to 3 in español. 1, 2, 3. Wait a minute, amigos. Oh, I don't think this is my thinking cap. I always do that. Did you put your thinking cap on? This is not my thinking cap. Let's get rid of this. Okay, now let's put our thinking caps on. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there we go. My thinking cap is on, my brain is on, and I am ready to rock and roll. Are you ready to rock and roll with me? And count by cincos? Yes? Very good, friends. Okay, amigos, remember when we're counting by fives, the number is going to end either with 5 or with the number 0. Okay? Like this. Here we go. Are you ready? Follow along. Let's start counting with cinco. Can you say cinco? Did you say cinco? Let me clean my ears. Okay, let's try that again. 1, 2, 3. Cinco! Much better. I heard you this time. 5, 10. Muy bien. 15. Repeat it. Say 15.
15.
Very good. 20.
20.
Yes, good. What's next? 25, 30. 35, 40. 45, 50. 55, 60. 65, 70. So 60 and 70 sound alike in Spanish. So 60, can you say 60?
60.
60 is 60 and 70 is 70. 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 100. Muy bien, amigos, 100. Okay, amigos, let's try that again. Ready? You start it.
5.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 100, 100. Amigos, are you counting with me? Make sure you're counting with me. I want to hear you loud and clear. Okay, amigos, here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 100, 100. Excelente, amigos. Muy bien. Dame 5. Okay, amigos, now you have to fill in the missing number. So I'll say the ones that are on there, and then you say the ones that are missing. Here we go. 5, 10,
15,
20,
25,
30, 35,
40,
45,
50, 55, 60, 65,
70, 75,
80,
85, 90,
95.
100, 100, 100. Okay, amigos, now let's count by fives with the balloons, and then I'll say the numbers that are shown and you say the numbers that are missing. ¿Están listos? Muy bien. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 100, 100. Excelente, amigos. Okay, amigos, now you have to start it. Ready? What's the first number?
5, 10,
15, 20,
25,
30,
35,
40,
45, 50,
50, 55,
60,
65, 70, 75,
80, 85, 90,
95, 100, 100, 100. Muy bien, amigos. Amigos, I had so much fun counting with you by cincos in español, but now it's time to say adios, amigos. Remember to always be kind, help out when you're able to, go outside and get your fresh air and your sunlight. Beautiful smiles. I want to see your smile. Big, big smile. And remember to dance. Sí, amigos. Muy bien. Amigos, please like and subscribe. Practice, practice, practice your español. And I'll see you very soon. Hasta luego, amigos.